Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the data ready and the right libraries installed. Install NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, then import them. Load your file with Pandas. Read CSV or read Excel and inspect head, info, and describe to spot problems. Once done, handle missing values by dropna or fillna and cast columns to correct types. Create summary or grouping columns now so plotting functions receive tidy data, which makes the next steps straightforward and reproducible. You then choose the appropriate plot and assemble it. Decide, use line plots for time trends, bars for category comparisons, and scatter for relationships. Use Seaborn functions like SNS, line plot SNS, bar plot or SNS. Scatterplot for cleaner defaults, pass X, Y, hue, and data arguments. Once you plot, customize with PLT. Subplots to control figure size, set X label and Y label, add a descriptive title, and pick a color palette to improve readability. Make sure to add legends and rotate X sticks if labels overlap. You finish by refining and saving the visualization. Add annotations for highlights using PLT, annotate or axe. Text, adjust tick formats and scaling so numbers read easily, and tidy layout with PLT. Tight layout. Once satisfied, export high-resolution images with PLT. Savefig plot. PNG, DPI equals 300, bbox inches equals tight, or save data for interactive tools. If something breaks, check data types, missing values, and axis scales first, because those issues usually explain distorted plots and missing points.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.